even share the opportunity with 2 people on the same package. Per the pairing bonus structure, this is the amount of money that will be coming into your account. If you join as a super and goes and sponsor 2 supers and teach them to also do same, it means that gradually you will be earning $180 in the system only on the pairing bonus. So teach 2 supers and teach them to also do 2 supers each. What if you have the capacity to introduce more than 2 people? And many people have sponsored even more than 60 people in the system, because the system structure is very easy and our product is also very effective. If you join as a supreme and teach 2 people to also join as a supreme and continuously also do same, causing duplication, then it means that you are receiving $73,370 or more in the system. So gradually you'll be approaching that money and you will exceed it in the system on the pairing bonus only. So the pairing bonus alone is money. If you join on the recommended lower package star and teach 2 people to join as a star and also teach 2 people continuously to duplicate even just 2, then gradually you'll be approaching $18,414 in the system and will definitely exceed it. So life is really super. A starter account member with 2 duplication each comes with $9,216. So life is really super. So join the system and do your best to also recommend the business model and product to people around the world. Life is super with Super Life. Bonus 5. Upgrading bonuses is the repayment of direct sponsor bonus, roll-up and pairing bonuses when members on lower packages decide to upgrade to higher packages. Illustration: a super joins the system and register a supreme onto his left side, receive $140 on direct sponsor and $12 on registration. The system will award him 400 purchasing points for pairing bonus. He goes and registers a supreme onto the right side and receives the same equivalence of money plus 400 purchasing points for pairing bonus calculation. Since he has 400 left and 400 points right, pairing bonus of $72 is given to him in addition to already earned cash. Why? Because we said each 400 purchasing points is equivalent to $36. Registration continues. The Supreme C on the right side of the super has somebody to register. He goes and sponsors a star G onto his account. He receives $30 on direct sponsor. Since he is not the super member A did the registration and received $3 on the registration. The star came with 100 purchasing points and therefore the supreme benefited 100 purchasing points. The super will also benefit 100 purchasing points from the pairing bonus free binary structure. The star G has seen the business and the product to be very wonderful and has now decided to upgrade even before he keeps moving the business, and therefore has upgraded to a super package. What happens? Since he has upgraded to a super package, the company must pay the direct sponsor bonus again on the super package, and therefore the supreme receives $160 on direct sponsor because the star has upgraded to super, and the supreme benefit $160 when he sponsors a super. Now the full money that was paid by the company is $350, but the supreme benefited only $160. What happens the remaining amount? Roll-up bonus therefore comes in here. The super A sponsors Supreme C, and therefore the roll-up bonus of $190 goes to him into his account. The company must also pay the pairing bonus, and therefore the super counts with 1,000 purchasing points, and the supreme member receives 1,000 purchasing points onto his left side. Since he already had 100 points there, the system will now upgrade his points to 1,100. The super will also benefit 1,000 purchasing points onto his right side, and therefore also upgrade himself to 1,100 onto his account. Life is really super with Super Life. So the system is very easy and money keep rolling into the system. So that is what happens when members from lower packages